All right, passenger side. You have all of your blower motor, your evaporator temp sensor, all of your mode doors, blend doors, things like that. The blower motor itself, the coaxial cable for the antenna. Those three items over here. This little one over here. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Same thing. I don't think you can mess up where the connectors go. So like two of them that look exactly the same, but once you start popping in the other ones, the ones that don't reach, well, that goes to that specific one. So I'm going to put all these back together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and I'll head back over to the driver's side and show you what that one looks like when it's done. All right, here you go. That's what it looks like, everything back together. You had one up here for the recirculation door. It's kind of hard to see. Flashlight. There we go. Show the light on the subject. So you had that one right there for the recirc door. So once you started with that one, and then everything else just kind of guides itself into place. So that way you'll be able to see it. All right, so we'll go over to the driver's side. Here's all this stuff hooked back up. This is your thing for your lower bolster. I'll show you all of that stuff when I get to that point. So over here is your side bracket too. One 13mm Y, the rest 12s. Go figure. Stupid shit. And then you have a 10 right there. So that is for the brace for the bottom half of the dash that holds it in the upright position. So I'm going to cinch all those down, and then we'll start on the centerpiece of everything that goes right here.